Hi, gardening friends. I'm Erin Hoffer, an educator for the City of Plano's Sustainability and Environmental Education Division. I'm excited once again to be partnering with Plano Libraries to bring you 3 spring gardening webinars. Join us February 9th for Spring into Gardening, where we're going to talk about how to get ready for the spring garden. February 23rd is Made in the Shade, and we'll give you tips on how to have a successful shade garden. Last, March 17th is going to be Don't Wing It, an opportunity for you to learn how to make your yard bird friendly. They're all virtual, so sign up today at planolibrary.org. Scroll down to the calendar events for details. We hope to see you soon.